Welcome back to my channel. My name is Megha and I created this look over here. This is a wing look with red lipstick. So it has a combination with a red lipstick that you must do a wing liner. Yeah, this is the look. You can see. Let's get into my video how I created this look. So I have moisturized my face very well, and before applying any primer I'm going to use this face mist from Body Shop. After sprayed on my face, I'll wait for a moment to get it dry quickly and then I'll use my primer. So my face is fully dry. One of my favorite primer, which is from MAC. It's 2 pumps. I am warming it up into my fingers and I'm dabbing it down to my skin, especially to the T-zone area. So it got absorbed into my skin. Okay, for the foundation I'm going to use this one, which is from Milan, Sand Beige 06. It's a conceal plus perfect foundation which is supposed to give me a full cover. As you can see that I have a lot of acne marks on my face and breakouts, and let's see how does it goes. So I'm taking here 2 pumps of the foundation. Here I'm going to use this fluffy flat brush for my foundation. So I'm taking it and it's a bit liquidy, you can see, and yeah, you just need to dab into your face like this. And if you're wondering that the shade is quite lighter than my face, so let me tell you, I gone through some reviews of this product and it's supposed to oxidize my face soon. So let's see how does it goes. I put on my foundation very well and I blended it so well. So gradually you can see the color of the foundation melts into my skin. Today I am not going to use any concealer as such, but this foundation. Here I'm using this loose powder which is from Maybelline Fit Me, and it's in the shade of medium. So here you can see that I am not baking it under my eyes or my concealed areas. I am just pat it down to the concealed areas so that it stays longer. So for the bronzer I'm using Try Sugar Cosmetics bronzer in the shade of 01 Taupe Topper. You can see it's a very cool tone brown color. So I'm blending it into my contour areas. I'm going to contouring my face with using this Wet n Wild contour brush, and you can see the color is very nice and very natural. You can see it doesn't sculpt your face, which you do not want anymore. It just gives you a natural contour. So for the blush, I am not going to use a blush. You can see that I'm using a tint which I bought from Nike obviously, and it's a Face Shop's product, and it blends really well, but you need to be really quick a bit to blend it out, otherwise you will get a red spot on your face which you really don't want. So you can see that my brows are done, and I use a NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. It's really nice and precise one. So I'm taking the middle one. It's a really nice transition shade from the palette which I got from Instagram. I bought it from Instagram. It's a Hawk Beauty product. The company name was Hawk Makeup. I think this is how it should pronounce. Okay, so for the wing liner, I generally don't know how they just precisely they do it. So I used a cello tape. I taped it the corner of my eyes, and I'm just doing a structure. You can say that how to create a wing liner by using a kajal which is from Maybelline New York, and then I'm going to smudge it with a flat brush, and after that I'm going to use a liner to shape it well. So here I'm taking that transition shade again. I'm going to use it to my lower lash line, and I'm using this white kajal from Essence so that my eyes could look a bit bigger. So time for mascara. I'm going to use one of my favorite mascara from Maybelline, and this is a waterproof push-up mascara. And it's a really nice mascara. It gives you a really nice volume to your lashes. Now again from Maybelline New York, I'm going to use this lipstick from Maybelline. It's called a Divine Wine, I guess. So it's a really nice wine red color. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty's highlighter palette, and I'm going to take the the second shade of the palette, which is a really warm kind of shade, and I'm going to use it to the highest point of my face, like the cheekbones, on your nose, on your chin, and don't forget your forehead. It's just a plain wing liner with red lipstick. You can use this look as a daytime if you're going for outing with your friends, if you're going out with your friends having lunch. So you can definitely make this look. And yeah, so this is the look. Okay, so let's get started.